Hey all, it's the week after Easter. You made it, and so now we can look forward. We've got a couple of new tools or updates to tools that I wanted to point out to you. First of all, our new improved video player is rolling out. That'll go live this week, and there's a few things on that that are new. One of the main being the newer ability to do picture-in-picture, or you can move away and look at something else in your browser, and you can still have the video player playing. That's on a desktop and in mobile. So that'll be a new added layer with that new video player. Be sure to check that out. Look at your stream, run a couple of test streams, look at the functionality of that. It's not huge. It still has player controls that all of the attenders will be able to utilize. The other thing is our updated admin panel goes live this week as well. You may have noticed, if you hadn't already switched over, it's updated now so that you're on the new admin panel, and we will continue to be making all of our updates and changes on the new panel. The old panel will no longer be updated or supported. So a couple of things this week as we move forward. We're always about improving the experience for you and for your online attenders, so that they have the best experience possible when they're watching your services.